Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add clip speed effect in Camtasia. So all you have to just look for the left hand side, and if you find audio effects, you have to click on this. But if you can't find the audio effects here, you have to click on more option. Click on more, and you'll find here audio effects. Click on this, and then you'll find here clip speed. Okay, this one. You have to just drag and drop to this timeline, and you can see effect is added. Alright, so in the left hand side you can do it. Now just you have to scroll this with the mouse, and you'll find here this option, the arrow option, show effects. Click on the show effects, and you'll find here this clip speed 1.100%. All you have to just go to here speed, and you can see if you want to change the speed limit, you can do it to 2% or 3% or whatever you want. Okay, you can customize your speed from here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add clip speed in Camtasia video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.